Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. In my last phone hunt I bought some interesting phones and also this brick. It's heavy. A NEC or NEC, I don't know how to pronounce it. And I'm assuming that inside it looks like this antenna, corroded like you get the idea. So I could not start it. Well, the battery is clearly dead, but I tried with the cables with my makeshift battery because it's also a 6.2 volts, but yeah, it won't work. So I'm gonna try to disassemble it and see what happens next. Honestly, I don't know how to do this. By looking at this, I'm guessing these are special screws. Yeah. I don't know if I can do anything with this, but I'm trying. Oh, it works. Did not expect this. It's unscrewing. Oh, it's also moving. Okay, that was easy and fast. I like it. There's some sort of screw here and I don't know. No, it's not. Or is it behind this thing? Wait a minute. This is a stick. Ah, come on, man. Seriously? Two screws here underneath this sticker. Well, in my defense, I never opened a phone like this and I don't know what's inside, so. Okay. This thing moved a little, I guess it's because I pressed on it. Oh boy. Okay. Why make special screws? Even then, were phone manufacturers obsessed with only them repairing them? Oh my god, this is so long. Come on. Let's move in a little, so I'm guessing it needs both sides grip. Okay, let's try this again. Well, what do you know? Man, this plastic is heavy. Okay. Whoa. Dude, this thing is massive and heavy. Ah, these are the cables, the side buttons. Okay. Still, though, bro, what is this monstrosity? Yeah. This thing is soldered here. In other words, it's not removable. Come on, dude, this is metal. It should be removable. Oh, never mind. I was pulling on the wrong plate. I am kind of scared to not press on the main board, you know? Okay. All right. This thing just get pulled and that's it, huh? Wow. Fun fact, there is no corrosion. Internal batteries. And you guys thought you're safe. I mean, these are bigger bugs than most phones, but even so, still don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, let's assemble this one. I'm guessing these are the brains, or this is the antenna module. Oh, sorry, not the antenna, the GSM module. Bro. Thick metal. What can I say? This phone, it's heavy metal. Budumts. Ah, this thing just slides off. All right. Ah, interesting capsule. Oh my god. Neck. Japan. Well, yeah, technically when you see everything like this, it's easier to repair if you have a service manual. I want to take it out completely from the metal, from the housing. Thick metal, like I said. So this is the module from the back. I have no idea what this is. This is the front. I wonder if it's just a button problem and if it will work otherwise, but I don't know what to believe. And also, where are the... Oh, here are the positive and negative connecting. Here. Is this thing glued here or what? Yeah, so this thing is glued. And I brought my battery to try to do something about it, but yeah. I'm thinking of, you know what? The phone doesn't have any signs of something burned, or it's not even dirty. This phone was very well encapsulated. Well, not the phone, the components, you get the idea. So I'm guessing maybe the battery has some sort of, I don't know, security feature to not allow to put any other batteries than its original one. These are some cells, no joke. Why was it easy to disassemble there and not here? There you go. It is out. Yeah, these are corroded, nothing much to do about it. And it snapped from here. Okay. So yeah, clearly this is the positive as it indicates there. And this is the negative. There we go. This is basically what I did with my makeshift battery. 5 batteries, nothing more. I'm gonna have to try this. So yeah, I'll leave this aside for now. I'm gonna put the phone back together because I have nothing else to do to it. I mean, okay, it's foolproof. Good. So this metal plate needs to be put here first or last. I don't understand. Yeah, this goes in something like this or the other way around. I don't remember. Come on, you bitch. Yeah, I'll check the video because I don't remember. And to do some magic and put it back together because I failed. Anyway, yeah. There we go. Honestly, don't want to damage this. That's why I'm not completely taking it apart. I'm gonna try something different. Let's try it now. Yeah. Wow, I could feel the electricity in my fingers. What the heck? So I failed. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about this. However, I'm not gonna put those back. These are going straight to the trash. And these nuts, this will just stay here as it is. Form factor, nothing more. And I'll just keep this as a, I don't know, museum piece. Not working. So thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the teardown, please don't forget to leave a like. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Well, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.